Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to design an online dating website. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from a video you're about to watch. So here we have a demo of what we'll be achieving in this video. So we have a very nice homepage whereby we have the logo and some registered user on the website, and we have meet new and interesting people, join team dates where you could meet anyone anywhere. We have get started, we have no more, and here we have a registration page where it says I am a female or male, and then we have I am looking for a male or a female, and we have between ages 18 to 50 years, and we have age range to 100 years, and then we have let's begin finding matches, guys. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to design a standard online dating website. So let's go ahead and then create an account on this website. I'll just go ahead and click on register, and then on the registration page we have this form to be filled. We have first name, we have last name, we have username, email address, password, and confirm password. But I'm not going to do this since I have an account already. I'm just going to go ahead and then log into my account. Going to go back to the home page and then go ahead and click on login. So here we have login. I'm just going to put in my username and then I'm going to click login, guys, and then it says login successful. So guys, here we have the user's dashboard whereby we have some matches which can be matched and so on. We now have premium users, go premium. So on the left hand side we have increase popularity, visitors, likes, friends. We have find matches, we have matches, we have visitors, we have friends, we have gifts, we have likes, we have people I liked, we have people I dislike, we have friends requests, we have hot or not. So here we have other users and profile and so on, guys. So guys, here we have age, we have country, we have gender. So I can decide to love this and I can also decide to love this. So here I can click to find my matches, and then under my matches no more users to show. So under visitors we also have no more users to show because this is a new account, so it hasn't been very active. So we're actually using this account just to illustrate that this has an awesome features on the user's end whereby we have gifts. So here we have no gift to show, but the cool part about this is that you can recharge using the credits. So if I click on credits, it's going to say your teammate credit balance, and then it says daily tribute. Use your credit to boost your profile, send a gift, get seen 100x in discover, put yourself first in search, get additional stickers, double your chances for a friendship. And then here we have bag of credits, 1000 credit units which is $50, 5000 credit units which is $100, chest of credits which is 10,000 credit units which is just $150. So all these prices can be set directly on the admin dashboard. So here we have online users. For now there are no online users. We have offline, none, and so on. So this is where you're going to be carrying out conversation or having a chat with your lover or whoever you're having a crush on and so on. So here we have the notification sidebar. For now there are no new notification, and then we also have boost me, get seen more by people around you in find match. This service costs you 70 credits and will last for 4 minutes. So guys, this has an awesome feature. So I'm just going to click on this, and then I'm going to click on settings. So under settings we have where you can update your profile, and then here we have profile, we have privacy, we have password, we have socials. These are where you can input your socials. We have blocked, we have section, we have my info, we have affiliates, we have two-factor authentication, we have notification, we have delete. So under profile you can put about me, you can enter tags, you can also update your location, put in your relationship status, preferred language, and then your work status, your education level. You can also put in your personality, character, children, pets, friends. So here we have the lifestyle section, whereby you can pick who you lived with. Do you have a car or you don't have a car? We have religion. Do you smoke? Do you drink? Do you travel a lot? And so on, guys. These are really cool features on these dating websites, guys. So on the privacy, we have show my profile on search engines. We have show my profile in random user. We have show my profile in find match. Confirm request when someone requests to be a friend. So you don't just go ahead and then start chatting people up you find in the find match page. He or she has to accept your request before you have the ability to chat with that person. So guys, I'm just going to go back to the dashboard, and then I'm going to look for a user I'm kind of more familiar with, so that we can actually use it to test this. I'm going to refresh. So I'm going to scroll down. So I created an account for this user called Sarah Joan. I'm going to love this user. So I'm going to go ahead and then check if my request gets to this user. I'm just going to log out of this page and then go ahead and then log into that account. So I'm going to click on login, and then I'm going to put in my email. So right now I'm presently logged in to this account, and then so it says no more users to show. Update your filter to view more, and then it says other users and profile, and then we only have mail accounts here, whereby you can decide to like this, cancel, like, cancel, love, cancel, guys. So here I'm going to click on likes, and then it says go premium to view who like you. I'm going to click on go premium, and then I'm going to select this plan. I'm going to click on choose plan. So guys, since I do not have a payment gateway integrated on the website currently, but I'm going to show you guys how you can integrate your payment gateway. But right now I do not have a payment gateway integrated, so I'm just going to go ahead and then upgrade this plan from the admin dashboard. So I'm currently at the admin dashboard, and then I'm just going to scroll down and then come here and then click on pro member and go ahead and then save. So I've successfully upgraded Sarah Joan to a pro member. I'm going to come over here and then refresh. Great, guys. So Sarah has been upgraded to a pro member. I'm just going to come to likes to see if we can see available likes. So here it says started 10 minutes ago from Bahamas, and then here it says Richard also like your profile. Then I'm just going to go ahead and then click on it and then scroll down. So after viewing on it, if you notice, I have the button called message, and I also have send a gift. I have this. I also have this add friend. So I'll just go ahead and then click on message and then send him a hi, and then go ahead and then click on this. So hi has been sent. So let's go ahead and check if Mike is going to receive this message. I'm just going to go back to this my browser and then go ahead and then refresh. So can we see we already have a notification that a message has been sent. I'm going to click on this, and then it says message request. I'm going to click on it, and then here it says pending. I'm going to click on this, and then we have hi. I'm just going to go ahead and then accept, and then I can also say hello here, and then go ahead and then send. So chat conversation have started between these two users. I'm just going to go ahead and then close this, and then also go ahead and then close this. So this is basically how the user's interface works. So let's go ahead and see how the admin dashboard looks like and see its features. So as usual, I'm just going to go ahead and then log out of this account. So right now I'm logged out. I'm going to scroll up and then go ahead and then log in to my admin dashboard. So we're actually going to use the same interface to log into our admin dashboard with different login details. So the username is admin, and then we have password, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on login. So it says login successfully. So the admin also have his own dashboard just like this, and then it has matches and so on. The fun part about this dating website is that you can assign privileges, right? So you can give a moderator his own privilege, and then an admin has his own privilege, a normal user has his own privilege, and a pro member also have his own privilege. So here I'm just going to click on this and then go to admin panel. So right now I'm in my admin dashboard, and then it says online now too. Remember, we have conversation between two people, which is Mike and Sarah. So these two people are definitely online. And then we have male 8, we have female 6, we have active users, we have 14, inactive users we have 0, we have total images, we have 3, messages we have 2. Remember, we sent hi and then the reply was hello. So the admin can monitor all this. We have reports 0, and then I'm going to scroll down. So here we have statistics. So in May we have users 12, and in April we have 2 users who are registered on this website. So here we have settings, and under settings we have general configuration. So on the general configuration interface, you can decide to enable developer mode, and here we have the maintenance mode, whereby I can decide to turn on maintenance mode, which automatically tells the users that this website is on maintenance. So here we have the pro system, which enables premium features, and then we have free mode, convert all paid features to free. So if I turn on this free mode, automatically user has the ability to chat with each other without having to upgrade their account. So here we have the developers API, which we definitely need to be active. So here we have the default language English, we have pop-up plus 18 block time, we have user configuration turned on, users account deletion turned on. So I can decide to turn off this so that the user cannot delete user accounts. We have show user on home page, which is also turned on. So showed users 25. So this is the maximum number of users the home page can show. And then we have friend system, we have 5,000. So here we have show only opposite gender. So this only allows you, if you are a female, you can only see matches that are male. But if this is turned on, even if you're a female, you can see matches that are male or female. So we have how many links can a user generate? We have 10. We have user can generate X link within 1 month, and so on. So here we have maximum likes 50. We have default path. And then here we have the user's registration. We say turned on, allow users to create accounts in your site. You can decide to turn off this. We have account validation, which is turned off. For now, I decided to turn off my email verification so that the user do not have to verify his or her email before registering on my website. So here I have website information. So this is where I fix in my site settings. So here it says website title, find your love, and then we have website name, theme dates. So I can decide to change this to whatsoever I want to change it to. So here we have the native Android link, we have the native iOS. So all you need to do is to just paste in your Android and iOS link here, and then they will be able to download them. We have manage site features. So here, this is where we can manage our site features, whereby you can decide to turn off earn credits daily. So users can earn free credits daily. So we have required time to receive credit. We have 10. For how many times the user should log in daily to receive daily credits? We have 10 times. We have credits user we earn 50. So this is the amount a user will earn daily if he logs into his account 10 times. So we have bag of credits and their packages here. So literally on the admin dashboard, you can manage every features happening on the homepage of the website. So this is basically where you are setting your email and so on, guys. So we have chat and video, audio. So here we have message request system. We can decide to turn this off and then decide to turn this on. So with this feature, user will require approval before chatting to the other user. So if I turn this on, automatically it activates these features. We have the chat spam system, which is turned on. So here we have the video call, which is turned off. This shows that a user is not allowed to video call his or her crush or her love, and so on. So we have the audio call. We now have here who can create a video call. We have only set it to be a premium user only that can create a video call. So we have the API configuration and so on, guys. We now have the Twilio API configuration. This is basically for SMS and so on. So here we have the social login settings, and then in this interface, this is where you are setting your social logins and so on, guys. So we have Facebook, we have Google Plus. So here we have the file upload configuration, whereby you can set your file upload types and so on. We have the setup live streaming. So for now, the live streaming features is disabled. We have Agro API configuration. This is basically when a user is allowed to go live on his or her account. So here we have languages, whereby we can add new languages and key, and then manage languages. So the next thing here, we have users, whereby you can manage users. So if I click on manage users, we will be able to see all users on this website. So we have lots of users, which is approximately 14 users registered on this website. So we can decide to grant Sarah permission. So here I can choose a moderator account for Sarah. So Sarah will have more better features than a normal account, and I can also assign an admin features to Sarah. So Sarah will have the ability of an admin. So I'm just going to go back to user and show you guys how you can edit a user information. So I will click on the backspace and also click on the backspace. So I'm going to scroll and then click on edit. So I just click on edit for last key Richard, and then I'm going to scroll down and then decide to change Richard package to a pro member, and I can also add more credits to Richard if I want. I can also change his details, change his email address, change his country, change phone number, and so on. So here we have manage genders. I'm just going to click on manage genders, and here we have add new gender. So for now we have 2 gender, male and female. You can decide to add other genders if you want. So you can just come over here and then add a new gender. So here we have manage countries. So we have countries that can register on this site. So you can decide to delete whichever ones you are not comfortable with, and you can add a new country if you want. So here we have manage custom profile field. So here I'll click on create new custom feed, whereby I can add new profile custom feed that I want or that I wish to have that the script or the website did not allow me. So here I have manage success stories, we have manage verification request, and so on, guys. So here we have the payments and ads. So I want you guys to pay attention to this section. So we have the payments configuration. So where we have bank transfer. So payments can either be made through bank transfer, PayPal, Square, and then you can add a custom payment method. So here we have the minimum withdrawal request. So you can set a minimum withdrawal request for a user. So this is where you're going to set your PayPal APIs and so on. So here we have payments, and then under payments we do not have any payments yet. Remember, the amount of credit which was credited to Sarah was automatically done by the admin, so we do not have the record here. We have manage payments, and right now we do not have a payments. So here we have manage currency, we have manage bank receipts, and these are for manual deposits. So here it says approved receipts, it says disapproved, total credit revenue, we have total membership revenue, and then here we have manage website ads. So the fun part here is that you can include ads on the user's dashboard. You can also include ads on the website. So here it says header. You can add an ad to the header. You can also put an ad to the footer. So it appears on all pages right before the footer, and then we have the home slider. So you can even make money while putting up ad on this dating website. So here we have photos, whereby you can manage photos and videos. So here we have 3 photos which users have been able to upload. Now the fun part about this is that we have 14 users registered on this website, but I was able to generate 11 fake users to automatically register on the website. So I did not, so most of the users there are not really real account, because I do not have time to be registering users one by one, so I just generated fake accounts. So this can be done directly on the admin dashboard if you don't have time, or you want to just use the website for other purposes. So here we have stickers, and then we have manage stickers. So I can add new stickers if I want, and these stickers are stickers that can be used during chats. So here we have blogs, whereby you can manage blogs. We also have gifts, which is another important section you should pay attention to, whereby we have manage gifts. And then right now we do not have gifts type, so you can add new gift type. So this gift type are like so now we have a user registered on this website, and we have another user who wants to gift this person either gold or whatsoever name you give your gifts. So this is where the withdrawal comes in. So these gifts are accumulated, and then a user can decide to withdraw his or her gifts as cash or whatsoever way you want to convert it to. Here we have designs, and under designs we have themes, whereby you can change this theme from the default to another one. So here we now have change site design. So this is the section whereby you can upload your favicon, you can upload your logo, and then upload a light logo, so that it can blend whenever you change your site theme to light theme, and whenever you change the website theme to night, it automatically put on the default logo. So here we have tools, whereby we have fake users generation. So this is the point whereby I can decide to say, okay, hello, generate 50 fake users on this website. And the cool part is that it's going to generate these 40 users with profile pictures. Yes, it's going to generate them, and then you can put in a default password, because it makes no sense whereby it starts generating different password for them. So you can put in a default password, and it says choosing the password that will be used for all users. The default is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, which shows that even if you did not put a password here, it automatically assign 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 to all the generated users accounts. So after you are done, you go ahead and then click on generate fake data. So the fun part is that literally all the images it's been generated will not be stored on your database. So that is the cool part. So it automatically generates 40 users with pictures and different images, guys. So it's going to be looking so real. So here we have announcements, whereby you can make announcements to your users, whereby you can just come over here and then create an active announcement. And then here we have blacklist, whereby you can blacklist a user and then block the users from using your website. So here we have send email, whereby you can pick a user email and then write in a subject and then send that user an email. So here we have user invitation. It says the system is used to invite users to your site if the registration system is turned off. So you can invite users to your site. We have invitation codes, we have application, we have auto like. It says when a user creates a new account, choose which user you would like to get auto like. So we have the manage email, and the next thing here we have pages, whereby you can manage custom pages. You can just come over here and then create a new custom page. We have the manage terms page, whereby you can manage your terms of use directly from the admin dashboard. You can manage your privacy policy, you can manage the about us section, you can also manage the refund section, whereby you put in your refund policies and so on. We have the edit page SEO. This is where your SEO stuffs are being done. So the next thing here we have reports, we have manage reports. So currently there are no active reports. So the interesting part of this system is where we have the API settings, whereby you can set your push notification settings. So the other user will receive a notification that, hi dude, you've successfully been added as a friend, or a message has been sent to you. It comes up as a push notification. So here we have the system status, and then here it says system requirement and status. I don't feel you need this. It says the folder.install is not deleted or renamed. Make sure you delete the .installs folder. And so this is basically how the admin dashboard looks like. So the question is, how do I design a dating website like this? I'll be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to design a dating website, just like what you've just seen. So guys, the first thing you need is a domain and hosting. So a domain is basically a name or a name URL you're giving to your website, so that users can be able to access your website. And then hosting is where you are hosting your site files and so on. So you need these two things to get started: a domain name and an hosting. And if you want to get a domain name for a very, very affordable price, you can check the description and then chat the contacts in the description of this video. So knowing this, let's go ahead and then go to our cPanel. So the cPanel will always be emailed to you whenever you purchase an hosting from whichever hosting provider you are using. So I'll just go ahead and then go to Hostinger, because I'm using Hostinger, and then I'm going to click on enter. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on login, and then I'm going to go ahead and then put in my login details. I'm just going to sign in to my Hostinger account. So basically Hostinger uses an hPanel. So if you're using your cPanel, you can still follow along. So I'll just go ahead and then log into my Hostinger account. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is to head over to either your cPanel or your hPanel, and then come over to your search and then type subdomain. So I'm just going to click on the subdomain. If you're using a cPanel, it's going to tell you to create a domain, so which is a subdomain. I'm just going to come here and then put in findlove.mydomainname.com, and then I can click on custom folder for subdomain, which I'm going to click on, which says /public_html, then the folder name. I'll just give the folder name findlove. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on create. So I'm done creating a subdomain. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then click on my dashboard, and then I'm going to go to file manager. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is since I'm in my file manager, if you're using a cPanel, you should find file manager on your control panel. So I'm going to click on public_html, and then I'm going to find the folder which is findlove. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then upload the scripts. So the script I'm going to be uploading here is the script that gives you access over everything that is happening on the website. So I'm just going to go ahead and then upload. I'm going to click on upload and then click on file. So if you're using a control panel, you should be able to upload. So guys, I have the script uploading already. I'm just going to wait for a few seconds while the script gets uploaded. We have the script successfully uploaded, and then we have the .zip file, and then here we have SQL file. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then create my database. I'm going to go back to my hPanel, and then if you're using a cPanel, you go to your cPanel, and then in your hPanel you should be able to find database. But if you're using a cPanel, use the search and then type MySQLi database. I'm just going to come over here, database, and then go ahead and then create a database. I'll just rename this database as findlove, and then here I'm also going to give it a name, findlove. So here I'm just going to go ahead and then click on show password and then generate a database. So I'm just going to customize this so that I can easily remember. I'll just copy this and then paste, and then also copy this and then paste. So let's see if we can use the same details, which I'm not sure. And then let me go ahead and then click on create database. It says password must be at least 8 characters long and contains at least number. So I'll just go ahead and then use @ and I think we are good to go. I'll go ahead and then click on create. It says your password must be at least 8 characters. I think the best thing I'll just use here is to go ahead and then generate a random password, and then we're out of the restriction. So I'll just go ahead and then open my notepad, and then I'll just go ahead and then type notepad. So we have a new notepad. So I'll just go ahead and then paste my database details. So we have findlove, and then go ahead and then copy this and then go back to my notepad and then paste my password here. Great guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and then click on create. So my database will be created, Then after that, I'll go ahead and then upload my database.sql file. So I'm going to go back to my database. So here, I'm just going to click on here. I can decide to save this if I want, but I don't want to save. So I'm going to come back to database again, and then scroll down, and then I'll find the database which I just created. So I'll head over to enter phpMyAdmin. So if you're using the cPanel on your search, go ahead and then type phpMyAdmin. I'm going to click on phpMyAdmin. So right now I'm in my phpMyAdmin. I'm just going to head over to imports, and then go ahead and then choose file to be able to import my database. So let me just come over here and then come to let's find love, and then go ahead and then download my SQL file. So my SQL file has successfully been downloaded. I'll just go ahead and then click on choose file. So I've successfully been able to import my database. I'll go ahead and then click on imports. So guys, my database has successfully been imported. It says import has successfully finished, 166 queries executed. So this is our database tables and so on. We have users chart gifts, and post payments and so on, guys. So guys, let's go ahead and then link our database to our scripts. We're going to come over here first of all, and then right click, and then go ahead and then extract. So on hPanel, to be able to extract, you have to first of all create a folder, and you extract it inside the folder, and then you can now move the file from the folder to your main folder. But if you're using the cPanel, immediately you extract it, automatically extracts it to the name of the folder of the file you upload, and after that you can decide to move it to your public_html. So I'll just go ahead and then create a folder HH, and then click on extract. So we have this icon loading, which shows that it's extracting, and it has automatically extracted it. So here we have the dating scripts folder, and then we have everything we need here. I'm just going to go ahead and then open these scripts. So I'll just go ahead and then select all, and then click on move file, and then come over to this spot, come here to still go back, come here, and then currently now I'm in main folder find love. Then I'll go ahead and then click on move. So this will successfully move all my files to this folder find love. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then delete this folder, because currently I do not need this folder anymore. I'll go ahead and then delete. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and then visit my website and then follow through the installation guide. So guys, here I have my domain. I'll just go ahead and then click on enter, guys. So here it says license agreements and so on. I'll go ahead and then click on I agree and click on next. So it says requirements 5.5 PHP version and so on. So I think by default, even if you're using the cPanel, automatically your default PHP version is 7.4. So you will not have issues with any of this. I'll just go ahead and then click on next. So here we have put in your code, Kenyon code. So right now you can just put in anything here, and then we have host name, local host, and then here it says SQL username. I think I have it as no, I have the password here. I'll just go ahead and then paste the password first, and then come to my notepad and then copy my username and then my database name. Then I'll come over here and then paste, and then also come over here and then paste. So I have my host name, I have my username, I have my password. I'm going to scroll down, and my site name, I'll just put the site name as find love. So site title, find love anywhere. That is what I'm just going to use. Find love anywhere. So I'm going to put in an email. Just put info at, so let me just name it as admin@gmail.com. Great, guys. So I'm just going to scroll down and then put in my admin details. I can just call my admin details admin, and then password 1234567 So I'll go ahead and then click on install, guys. So guys, we have our website successfully installed, and then we have this. So guys, this is basically how to install the scripts, and then you can go ahead and then change your logo and so on, just as what we had shown. So guys, this is basically how to design an online dating website. If you know you find this video helpful, which you all know that I left no stone unturned, I showed you guys step-by-step guide on how to install the script and so on. So guys, please kindly make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from a video like this. See you guys in my next video. Bye.